Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to connect to VPS server on macOS. To begin, head to our website and log in to your account. After logging in, click on your name on the top right side of the screen. Select Confirmation of VPS Contract Details. Here you can see the status of your VPS server. You can also cancel the VPS service on the same page. To use the VPS service, open the App Store and search for Microsoft Remote Desktop. Click on Get. Click on Install. Once the installation process has finished, open Microsoft Remote Desktop. Click on Add PC. Enter the IP address of your VPS server. To find the IP address and your login information, check your email. Select Add User Account and enter your login information that were emailed to you. Click on Add. Again, click on Add. You can launch the VPS by double-clicking on it. Once the VPS has successfully launched, you can change your password if you would like. To do so, click on the Start button. Click on the user icon and pick Change Account Settings. Then, select Sign In Options and pick Change under the Password tab. Enter your current password and click on Next. Enter the new password twice and enter a password hint to help you remember it later. Click on Next. Finally, click on Finish. Congratulations, you have successfully connected to IS6FX VPS. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!